Hello guys, and welcome back. So for today just going to be a short video, quick tip about how to change this fascia board and fix the gutters. As you can see, this fascia board was already cut and it's in a terrible state. At the moment it's just going to rain inside, and then water is just going to come through these air vents, those small holes on the soffit. So yeah, I will need to take everything out. I have the fascia board right here, and before I'm going to install that fascia board, I'm just going to put some ply so I can reinforce the fascia board. So yeah, it's not much to say. I believe the video is just going to be self-explanatory, and yeah, I'm just going to leave the video to explain everything by itself, and I'm just going to carry on with it because it's a little bit of wind, and I don't have too much time because it's quite late. So yeah, first of all, I'm just going to remove the gutter. So let's quickly do that. Alright, and a little bit of cleaning. Now I'm ready to install that 18mm ply exactly here on top. Like I was saying, I just want to reinforce it a little bit. Then it's going to be a little bit better when I'm going to actually install the brackets for the gutter. So yeah, look at that. Go away. Okay. So nice and clean. And yeah, I think we are ready for the ply. Now I totally forgot to tell you about this small vent pipe which is coming from the bathroom, and it's supposed to send out all the moisture and steam from the bathroom outside, but instead it was just sitting inside there, and probably it would have created a little bit of steam even inside that place in between the joists, and in time probably it would have give some small problem to the joists because of all that moisture. So that's why I'm just installing this vent right here, and everything is going to be thrown out and nothing is going to stay inside the roof. So almost done. I believe is going to be a better job than it was before. Now guys, every time that I'm doing this kind of work, some other small bit needs doing, some other extra jobs needs doing, and sometimes it's quite difficult to do, because if you think about it, what are the chances that you are going to have everything in your van? The answer is probably not, and you will have to jump in your van, find a shop, buy everything, come back and redo that. So that's why most of the time these type of jobs are never going to be done. especially if you are going to go back at the client and ask for a little bit more because this needs doing and that needs doing, probably they are just going to uh, think that you just simply want more money off from them. So this is one of the reasons that sometimes the jobs are just left like they are, because at the end you just priced to do whatever you had to do. But of course I'm here right now and I'm going to do this job properly, or at least the best that I can. Okay, so right now everything is taking shape, but I still need to cut a small bit for my right side because the fascia board is not that long. So I'm just cutting this small bit and I'm going to joint it with a joining trim on the right side of this fascia. So here is the joining trim. I'm cutting it right now and I'm going to apply it with some strong adhesive, and I'm going even to put a nail through it. Now these trims here, they are marked as you can see, and you are going to know exactly where you need to cut it without any measurement, because usually are quite standard in base at the fascia board that you are going to install. Now I'm just going to start to apply the brackets for the gutter, and I'm just going to put one each 60 centimeter or so. I'm going to use more because usually you don't put them that close, but I saw that lately I don't know if is the quality of the gutters or something, because they are going to change the shape, and it's not going to be too long before that is going to happen. Usually after about 1 year it's already going to start to bend and it's not going to look that good. That's why I'm going to put more brackets, and hopefully it's not going to change the shape. Now this one is going to be the last bracket that is going to be on this gutter, and right now I'm just checking to see the maximum height of the bracket that I can install. And I'm going to start to install all the brackets from my left side towards this last one, and I'm going to raise them up for about 5 millimeters roughly. So I can get the same fall like it was before in base on the pipe work, the rain pipe work that is on the left side, and that is going to give me exactly the fall that it was before without too many modifications on the old rain pipe, which I'm not going to change. So alright guys, finally everything is done. I even tested a little bit with a little bit of water, and yeah, it was quite late, and I was thinking it's a good idea to come back when it's going to be the weather a little bit better and show it to you while it's light out here. For the past few days it was a lot of wind and rain, and I decided not to come. But now I'm ready to show it to you to see with light what have I done around here. And now definitely it looks a little bit better than it was before. And right here at the back you can see the ventilation, which is a little bit neater than it was. Yeah, the water is just flowing, so I don't have any problem. You can see a little bit from the test that I've done, but it was quite late, so yeah. But anyway, at this point, don't forget to squeeze that like button, and see you on the next one. Bye for now.